Hey everybody, welcome back for our last 9 weeks of the school year. It's actually, I think, about 11 weeks, but um, yeah, it's the end, guys. I'm so excited. Um, so let's talk about what I have in store for you and what your first project is for the marking period. So before we left and after Snowvid, I said that we were going to finish up the tech theater unit when we got back from spring break. However, I looked at the calendar and how much we have going on with testing and all of that. Um, and just reminding of me of the fact that the projects that y'all seem to really enjoy were the ones that we did at the beginning of the year, where you got to be more creative and do more acting things. Um, so that's kind of where I'm heading with the fourth marking period. So things might look a little bit different on your end and what you see in Schoology. So my plan is that instead of giving daily work that you have to complete every day, I am going to be giving you guys projects that you need to complete by the due date. So that means that you still have to sign on and mark yourself present so that you can be counted as present. But if that means that you want to get all your other schoolwork done and just sit down and buckle down for a couple hours on Friday to get my project for that week done, you can do that. Whatever is going to work best for you and your schedules and your availability to technology. So with that, that means there will also be no tests. There will be a little bit of writing, but the writing will be things like writing scripts. It won't be things like writing, you know, essays or anything like that. So this marking period is going to be all about acting and directing if that suits you. My kids that are at home, especially, um, I know not everyone has the ability to do acting work with other people. So if you can find a creative way where maybe you play all the parts in your scene and you edit it together, you can do that. However, if you're one of my kids that just doesn't have anyone available to help you with scene work, I am going to have an alternate assignment. Unfortunately, the alternate assignment is usually going to be some sort of researchy type of project, but it won't be anything too hard. I will let you know at the beginning of a project if it is considered a formative or a summative project. Things will be a little bit different. Um, and if you are one of my kids that likes to like come to school twice a week and then go home and do your work on Schoology, that's the only thing that's really going to mess up for you and for your classmates. If you're coming to school and you're in a group and then you don't come half the time, you're really going to be messing your group over. So that's something to bear in mind with what we're doing here at school. And our first project, I'm going to actually make another video to explain our first project. It's going to be a quick little fun thing to get you guys being creative and having fun. But I just want to give you an idea of what's ahead, and I hope that you're really excited to be able to act.